Hey people, I have here a Trimax, maximum security, the world's toughest locks, hardened steel body, dual ball locking for added protection from prying and hammering, 7/16 hardened boron alloy shackle for greater protection against cutting and sawing, 1/25 32mm shackle clearance for extra reach, removable 5-pin cylinder with over 9,000 key changes for maximum pick resistance, lifetime guarantee. So let's see what the world's toughest locks. Let's see how tough they are.
Anyone knows about red carpet glamour, it's Linda. So what's your secret to looking so good?
I try to eat really healthy and lots of water, and plus all my lotions and potions, all my beauty creams, I love them.
Scarlett Johansson was a no-show at the festival, but her gorgeous co-star Penelope Cruz gave photographers about all they can handle on the world's most glamorous red carpet.
I think he's the greatest actor.
Penelope may be gushing about her off-screen love, Javier Bardem in Vicky Cristina Barcelona, but on screen, her lips belong to...
There we have it, the world's toughest lock. Heavy duty pick resistance. I believe that took me about 15 seconds to open. So, if you'd like to protect your valuables, this might scare people away due to the sheer size of it. But other than that, I don't know. Let's have a look what she's got inside, shall we? Very similar to an American 1100 series keyway.
Just one of the Canadians making noise today.
Okay, so we got all regular key pins. Never seen this before, but it looks as if the fucking key pins have actually been filed down to fit. Pretty strange to see that in a supposed brand new lock. And we got one regular pin.
On How I Met Your Mother, and it looks like she may be a TV bride. And Mike Myers keeps the laughs coming in this hilarious MTV Movie Awards promo.
Looks like 5 regular pins and 1 spool. There we have it. Not much for security. Alright, well, peace. Rate it. Don't use picking for illegal purposes, and have fun. And I'm gonna put this lock back together. Peace.